Welcome back. All right, y'all, before we get deep off into this video, I just want to share an accomplishment with you guys. Y'all, we made 500 subscribers. Listen, that number could be small to some or big to others. However, for me, it just shows a lot of consistency. And we got to 500 in like 2-3 months. Y'all been rocking with your girl, and I just want to say thank you. So I just had to put that out there. Also, another disclaimer. If you want to see a lot of pattern making on how I'm making this dress, there's a card at the top of this video. It is simply the same shape as last week's dress with the jewel tone dress. I just decided to make it color blocked and loud and extra. And y'all know y'all can expect me to make a dress within this dress series without it being color blocked, super colorful, super loud. Now, as I've said before, and as I've been stating in my dress videos, I decided to do something that was going to speak to me. I wanted to make something that really represented how I love myself tangibly. What does that look like outside of doing the actual inner work and the inner healing, and outside of like the maintenance care with hair done, nails done, everything did? I wanted to do something that was actually relatable to me, and that looked like making dresses for myself. And baby, like I said, I'm extra, I'm loud, I'm goofy. Life already lifes, so I want to laugh through it. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm gonna cry and I'm gonna pray, but one thing I want to do is laugh through it, because the truth is, I'm a woman of faith, and the Bible says count it all joy when you fall into various trials. So if there's a purpose within my trials, if the things that I go through will always work out for my good, then I don't want to just suffer through them. I actually want to experience joy and peace when I go through things. I'm telling you, if you can hold on to some joy while you're going through something, baby, you are a superhuman. Commendo, okay? My hat is off to you. I'm learning and I'm getting there and I'm accepting it. Hence why I made this loud dress, okay? People used to call me loud growing up. A lot of people used to call me extra. I was a theater kid up until freshman year of high school. I still sing everything that I do. I turn every single thing into a song. You can give me a word and I promise you, I can find a song for it. Or I'm just gonna make up my own lyrics and pretend like I sound good and sing like I actually sound good. But anywho, I really love this dress. It was very comfortable. I decided not to really drop the back. I just kind of wanted something that was a little bit more easy and with pockets and just, like I said, comfortable. So I was really happy with this. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but the colors of this dress really spoke to me. So let this be your reminder. Be as loud and be as extra and extroverted or introverted. Baby, be you. Be you at all times. Don't care about what nobody say. Any word curses that were spoken over you, take it back. Like I said, people call me extra and loud all the time. I used to hate it. And then I got to a point. Now I'm going to embrace it. And now I want to be loud and extra on purpose. Because that's who I am. So I hope you like this dress as you watch me struggle making these spaghetti straps. Because baby, making a spaghetti strap is not for the faint of heart. If you know, you know. So watch me struggle with making this spaghetti strap as you enjoy the rest of this video. Again, thank y'all for rocking with me and getting me to 500 subscribers. Until next time.